Nice to talk. I am interested in working with you. You have limited time left for expanding the reach of your business, so that you need helping hands to partnering, working directly together, grow up partnership. I like stand up on your confidence. I am goal oriented and entrepreneurial, self-started, passionate. Ongoing long placement I have a lot and would like to go with your opportunity as a career development for the rest of my life. Second question, what skill or experience make me the best fit for this position? Honestly speaking, I have gone through your job posting and I found myself all skill set and best fit for this position. You see my portfolio links. I can mention easily that I am, as a blogger, content writer, poster and publisher, I can help content creation. In respect of marketing, and I am a digital marketing certified professional and regular social media user, I can help in marketing by managing social media presence and increasing follower engagement. As a freedom and flower, always a great communicator and client focus, and I can maximize client success. I think you have gone through my CV. You see the parameter of my long walking track with different businesses, home and abroad, in operations and business development. Moreover, as a mentor, leader and an academician, I have expertise and can manage planning for speaking opportunities, such as conferences, workshops, classes, webinars, interviews and podcasts, and arrange any special project related to the business as they arise time to time, if needed, high needed basis. Being productive. I believe in work smarter, self-discipline, in depth to detail, passionate, and I can help you keep organized and as per productive concern, on time and persistence. A sense of urgency and continually thinking outside the box to create solution is critical to success. As a quick learner, passionate to opt with a fast-paced multitask environment where efficiency, commitment, integrity, ability and just so freedom of work and do follow on the main issue, being productive, both to be more effective in your work, facilitate to create more time and freedom for you to critical thinking of new tools and ideas for further development, grow up. World is interdependent on each other. Helps us help you. Clients purchasing professional help get their job. And being professional, we are selling our professional expertise, help earn. So everybody is interdependent. So everybody need helps, professional helps, expertise help, or application help, whatever. So it's a continuous process, and society, business, relation, whatever is the sum total of helps each other. Thank you very much. Wishing a wonderful journey. Bye bye.